Hey guys, it's Megan, and today we're fixing the two-car garage. We have a wall out here that's collapsed into itself. We're going to try to fix it. Okay, here we go. So here is the two-car garage, and we are going to put in a gutter system because we get a lot of water down here and it goes in. We're going to close out this door and continue the siding. And right now what we're doing is we're cleaning up inside, picking everything up, moving everything around, moving everything out. The kids are going to join us. What we want to do is get the shelving on the back wall, get rid of everything that's on the back wall, clean up. We're going to move this car we have here. Our goal basically is to prep it for winter so we can park my husband's car in this garage and then park the trucks in the house garage so that we could get them in and out, and the driveway is clear for snow blowing, right? So if we have the driveway clear when we know it's gonna snow, then we can go ahead and clean it off, pull the trucks out, and be on our way to work. So this is where we're at right now. Hopefully we can get it so that it looks pretty decent, and then we're just gonna put some paneling on the inside. It had sheetrock, but there's no air in there and it gets humid and hot. I'm just gonna put some paneling up that I took off the house and brought into the garage to put it up on the walls. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. I'll keep you guys posted. If it rains, we're screwed and we can't do anything, but we'll see. Okay, so here we go. We've managed to dig a ditch here where the water was coming in to the garage. The boys are handling that. Matthew, you still have to go just a little bit out, okay, of where you dug the ditch, okay? We have it somewhat exposed, about, what do you say, Matt? 6 inches? 6 inches, okay, 5 or 6 inches on the outside. We're going to take 2 rows of siding out. And inside, we've taken out all the insulation. And see this wall here? I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of collapsing. You can basically see the door is, the door is, you know, I don't know. Yeah, there you go. It's kind of wonky. It's starting to thunderstorm out. We're going to Home Depot. I'm not sure that you can see it, but this wall is kind of bowing inward. The sill plate is completely rotted out. I'm going to cut 2 inches off the bottom, or 4 inches off the bottom, shove in a new sill plate, have my husband jack the walls up just a little bit, just a tad, shove it in there, let him jack it back down, and then put supports on each side of these 2x4s. Hopefully that'll stop it from sagging. And then we have, hey guys, we're continuing progress on the two-car garage. So here we go. Before I'm gonna put in the bottom sill plate. Okay, so here we are. First sill plate in, and as you can see, we are putting it all the way up against the concrete that it was supposed to be up against. So I'll pressure treat it. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see how far out this wall has come. We're going to put the second sill on, like, where is it? That one. Push the studs and screw them in. Okay. No more water. All this staining was from the water that used to come in. We touched it, it's nice and dry, so that's old. Okay, so there goes the wall. The wall was about, I want to say, straight till you got to here, and then about 2 inches in, we put in a ground contact pressure treated 2x4, and then we raised it up. We cut all the, let me see if I can find it. So a lot of these, hi Shadow, a lot of these beams were rotted out. Look at this one. See this one? See, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. See? Hi, Poppy. I know. It's shadow time. Yes, always. Okay, so you can see there, it's been chewed up or eaten up, or maybe it was the rain that damaged it. I'm not sure. Almost all of them were like that, 4 inches off the ground. So what we did was we cut them. We added a second plate. And then the ones that are sturdy, after being cut, we screwed into the plate, right? We had a few. And then the ones that weren't too sturdy, like the one I was just showing you, we sister joisted on one side. See? So I sistered it to this piece. The rest of it is kind of okay. I may actually come on this side too and give it a nice little sister. I'm not sure. We'll see. This one was a little weak on the bottom as well, so we sistered it there. And that's pretty much all the ones that were rotted out that far up. But yeah, look at this wall. Now the wall's nice and straight. It's got a double plate on the bottom, double plate on top. And here is where they made the mistake. See, I don't know what happened between here and here. I don't know if you can see that they kind of, maybe let me back up a little. Back up. You can see that they kind of rose it up really high on that end. And I don't know why they would do that. But as you can see, the door is kind of crooked. Let me see. So today we're going to cut that piece off right there all the way. And we are going to give it a new straight header to align with this. We're going to take the door out. We're going to put a beam there. We're going to finish off the double bottom plate. And we're going to close out this door and side the other side. We really don't need a door here. And alright, we are done for the day. We have some stuff up against this wall, but we've closed that out. Everything's done. We have to side the outside, but we're organizing. We moved the shelves from here over to this wall. We're organizing. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna bring the truck back in. My husband's sweeping that side. We're gonna get rid of all these cabinets. There goes Shadow. All this beadboard that we took off the house, we're putting it in as new walls in here. So I gotta do this side. I put this piece up. I'm crazy. But yep, it's raining out and there's no water. There we go. And this is not on. It's just there. We're done. Yay. Let me see. I can show you. See here, we fixed that there. We sister joisted because this beam, we had to cut it. See where we cut it all the way up? So we have this beam next to it, and then this beam on the other side. We've added this one, this stud, and we sister joist that stud. Now outside, here we go. It's raining, but we've managed to put some siding down there so it doesn't get wet. As you can see the pool of water puddling up there? No longer going inside. And we have the plywood here, which we will side as well. And as you can see, the roof line is now nice and straight. We got to clean up there. And we have to still dig this trench. And then I'm going to put a retaining wall here and a channel, some weeping tile in there and around to the back, along with the, oh wow, along with the gutters. But today is not that day, right, Shadow? Where you going? Where you going, puppy? It's raining. Oh, he's running in the house. Oh yeah, go run, run, run. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, let me know. Put your comments at the bottom. I'm exhausted and I sustained a boo-boo.